Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle no matter how hard they work? The truth is, becoming a millionaire isn't just about making money. It's about thinking differently. It's about developing the millionaire mindset. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, even if you're starting with nothing. Wealth isn't just about numbers in a bank account. It's about habits, discipline, and most importantly, your mindset. Let me tell you a story. In the early days of his journey, Jeff Bezos wasn't a billionaire. He was driving an old Honda Accord. Why? Because he understood one of the first rules of a millionaire mindset: delaying gratification. The rich don't spend money to look rich. They invest money to get rich. So ask yourself, are you buying liabilities or assets? Are you thinking long-term or are you trapped in short-term comfort? Most people are trapped in a scarcity mindset. They believe money is limited, that they'll never have enough, that wealth is only for the lucky few. But millionaires, they operate on an abundance mindset. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. Take Damon John, the founder of FUBU. He started with just $40 worth of fabric and a sewing machine in his mother's house. Instead of saying, I don't have enough money to start a business, he thought, how can I make this work? That shift in mindset turned a small hustle into a $6 billion brand. If you want to think like a millionaire, you need to act like one. Here are 3 habits you should start implementing right now. 1. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account before you even touch your money. 2. Build multiple streams of income. Millionaires don't rely on one paycheck. Start a side hustle. Invest in stocks. Explore real estate. Diversification is key. 3. Master the art of saying no. Every dollar you spend on things you don't need is a dollar that could have worked for you. Learn to prioritize long-term wealth over short-term pleasure. The only thing standing between you and financial freedom isn't money, it's your mindset. Change how you think about wealth and wealth will follow. So what's your next move? Will you continue living paycheck to paycheck, or will you start thinking like a millionaire today? If you're serious about building wealth, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll be dropping more powerful financial strategies to help you elevate your money game. And remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but the decision to change, that happens in an instant. Make that decision today. See you in the next video.